Hello, my jewels, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire Too. So today is Friday, the 1st of April. Happy April, everybody. Happy April. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my Herbal Essence Rosehip Conditioner and Shampoo. And the reason being, I'm making this final video on those products because I have been getting lots and lots of questions about why am I using this? What is it doing for your hair? Do you know that this shampoo and conditioner is not made for black hair? And yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to tell you the benefits that I receive from using this conditioner and shampoo. And I'm also going to tell you what this shampoo and conditioner does and what it stands for, benefits, all of that stuff. I have been getting some great results. A lot of people still ask me, why am I using Shea Moisture products? You know, if you have a product, no matter who made it, and if it makes your hair healthy, your scalp, and you're not having like hair loss or hair falls or anything of that sort, if it's hydrating and moisturized, make your hair feel soft and smooth and silky, continue to use it until they stop making it. That's my motto. So to me, it doesn't matter who make the product. If it's working in my hair and continue to allow my hair to be healthy while it's growing, I'm going to continue to use those products until they just stop making it. And that's it, period.com. That's it. Okay. So I want to welcome all new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I got 7 more new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video. Everything that I use here, I bought with my own money. This video is not sponsored or anything of that sort. Everything that I use, I bought with my own money, okay? I would also like for you to subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed, just press the button and then the bell, and you will see videos of me every single week. So I also like for you to share my videos because I'm aiming to get 5K by the end of this year. That's my goal. That's what I want. I really haven't been really specific on my subscribers. I would just take as is, but I really would like to see 5K before the end of the year, and I need you guys' help. Okay, so if you guys will help me out and that's what you would like to see, then share the video. Okay, and those of you who are viewing, I have over thousands of viewers. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to have you as one part of my jewel collection. Okay, so I'm going to talk about these products, okay, and show you and talk about them from A to Z, in my opinion, and hope and pray that you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around, and then I'm going to show you and talk about the product, what it does for my hair. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, here they are. I'm on my 3rd bottle. This is my 3rd bottle. I don't know if I mentioned that before, and this would be the 4th and the 5th, and I'm going back to the store this weekend to pick up a couple of more. I'm also going to pick up another shampoo because when the grands are over here, sometimes if they need their hair washed, Mom would say, well, Mama, can you? And I'll wash their hair, okay? Our grandkids have thick and wavy hair. Some hair kind of like I want to say a 1A or a 1B or whatever you want to call it. But their hair is like on this wavy side. Some doesn't have much waves, some have more waves, and then some are thicker, some are thinner. Okay, so in my opinion, this conditioner is great. I love it. Okay, it's great. Okay, the conditioner, it hydrates and it also smooths my hair. It really does. Like I said, this is my 3rd bottle, and I don't know if you can see it down here. It's almost gone, and then I'll be on my 4th bottle right there. Okay, but I love it. I really do love it. The shampoo, I did have some problems as I'm stretching. I think I told you guys that I had a little hesitant with that, but once I detangle after using this, my hair, it helps to restore its natural shine. I think it's great for everybody. It's also good for fine hair, if your hair is fine or flat, straight, colored. oily. It really does cleanse and it does do the job. I like it. It's even good for relaxed hair. I am relaxed. It's silicone free. Okay. It's color safe and it's pH balanced. I like it. It smooths the texture of the hair. So both conditioner and shampoo is formulated with an infused blend of vitamin E, it says, and rose hemp, of course, on the back of here, and jojoba extracts to really help to deeply condition and cleanse and defrizz. It's really great for frizzes. It really does smooth the texture out. It will also make your hair soft. My hair is soft. It's smooth looking. The pear also, to me, helps to restore the hair's natural shine. We all have sebum in our hair, but after using the shampoo, it looks like I just put a little oil on my hair because it has a natural shine to it. It really does. It also helps to give a healthy scalp. It strengthens the hair follicles, in my opinion, because I don't have any hair falls after using the shampoo or the conditioner. I don't have any hair falls. It's great for dandruff, dry hair, dry scalp, to make your hair stronger. To me, like I said, it benefits all hair types, okay? Whether you have sensitive, dry, itchy scalp, I believe the shampoo will help you. If you have thick, wavy hair, like our grandchildren, fine hair, I know a few of our grandchildren have fine hair. If you have oily hair, flat hair, relaxed, these will help smooth the texture out. Not only that, it will allow your hair to be silky and smooth and soft, hydrated as well. I do get hydration whenever I use this conditioner here. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, I did have a little hesitation in using this when I was detangling, but once I was done, my hair was really smooth and soft to the touch. And after using the shampoo, because some shampoos dry your hair out, I had my natural it has given me a natural shine, like I put oil on it or something like that, and I have not. So yeah, so I really, really hope and pray that you guys will consider, no matter who make the product, whether it's a white company or a black or Hispanic, if you have a shampoo and it's giving you hydration or moisture, please keep that shampoo if you're not having any hair falls or okay, I had to turn the camera around. My mount fell, so I'm holding the camera up. Okay, so please forgive me if it's shaky. I'm trying not to shake it. But if you have a shampoo and conditioner, as I mentioned in the early part of this video, don't give it up, no matter who made it. Okay, there are lots of people out there that use Black-owned shampoo and conditioners, and including myself, and it didn't work in my hair. It made my hair dry over time. Within maybe 4 or 5 months of using it, I used the whole collection and my hair ended up dry on the ends, maybe about 2 or 3 inches of my hair on the ends, okay? Then I turned to another shampoo because it was suggested, and that was the Shea Moisture. So I started using those. Lo and behold, whenever I use the Shea Moistures, the raw Shea Butter, or the Strength and Restore, when I rinse that out, it still feels like silk. And I've mentioned that in many videos that I make. So if you have a conditioner, shampoo that gives you hydration and moisture, and it softens your hair and it allows your hair to be manageable, especially if you're stretching, okay, continue to use those products until they stop making them. It doesn't matter who makes them. I know a lot of people are on board with Black owned or whatever. That is not my case. I use things that work for me, and this is what you should do as well, okay? So I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video. Also, don't forget to share my videos and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you ever so kindly. God bless you. Bye.